Hey guys, Jason Scudellari with CPP, and I'm standing in front of our C10. We got a few more goodies to throw at it. We got Clayton Machine Works by a low car. We got interior door handles and window cranks. We got a throttle pad, brake pad. Should be a pretty simple install. Let's get started. All right, so I'm getting ready to put our brake pedal pad onto our brake pedal. It's got a little recess here that's gonna fit over our brake pedal. I made a little template here, which I transferred over to our brake pedal already. The reason I'm trimming it down a little is because I'm using a manual trans setup. So the brake pad and clutch pedal would have been smaller, and I think it looks a little bit cleaner. So let's get in there, trim that up. We'll get this installed and move on. All right, we got everything trimmed up and clean. We got our pedal pad. Gonna install that. We've got 4 Allens, 2 of these brackets, gonna sandwich it in between. We'll go ahead and install that now. Just make sure the pad itself stays in the recess. All right, there we go. All right, so we're gonna do the throttle pedal now. We already had a low car in there, so all we're gonna do is change out the pad. We got our spring here. Gotta remember how that goes. Okay, we'll go ahead and slide the pin through. Once the pin slid through, then we can take our spring, connect it like so. And we'll put our E-clip back on there, and then we can go ahead and reinstall our lever. All right, got the pedal pad all hooked up. We'll go ahead and hook it to the accelerator now. The nice thing about the low car throttle pedal, it's got a bunch of splines here. That way you can get it fine-tuned, nice and comfortable for your foot. We'll start somewhere like that. I'm getting full throttle. We'll see how that feels. Got this little Allen washer here that lock it into place. All right, there we go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pop off our window crank. Not bad looking, but very stock. Just be careful not to tear your door panel. All right, so these are directional. I kind of like it to swoop down instead of up. So let me go ahead and switch these out for the other side, and I'll put these on the passenger side of the truck. So these again are on splines, so you can basically put that lever any way you want to face it. This stays on with 2 set screws. Just make sure they're out enough so you can get it on there. Again, just take your time. You don't want the Allen key to tear into your door panel. This piece just slides over, and then you position this exactly where you want it. Kind of like it coming straight out at a 90. All right, we'll lock that on down. Got our little rubber grommet here. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna roll this up real quick all the way to the top. It is summertime and we like to drive around with the AC on, but I don't want this thing hitting at my knee. So that being said, I'm gonna match it up with that one. We should be all right. Just like so. Put the rubber grommet on that one. There you go, looks good. Well, we wrapped up the truck, decided to take it out. It is, well, the beginning of August out here in California. It's a little warm, so the vintage air is certainly keeping us nice and cool. The nice luxury interior from TMI is nice and comfortable, but I'm really liking the low car accents. Kind of made the door panels a little more modern, and the feel of the gas pedal and brake feel, well, just like they should. So when you're ready to order your classic car or truck parts, give us a call or visit classicperform.com. And if you like these videos and you want to see more, visit teamcpp.com and go ahead and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.